on this video today, I'm going to share with you a free bot that you can use to promote affiliate products on Digits.info to earn money from home. This is one of the best methods that you can use to earn money as a complete beginner with zero budget and zero skills. And the best part is that this method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that we'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your Digits.info accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is my account and you can see the amount that I've earned promoting products on this platform. So now once you're on your dashboard, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on marketplace so that you can get products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are categories of digital products that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see on the first page there are a lot of digital products that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see many of them. So now what we are going to be doing today is that we are going to be promoting products under the health and fitness category. So you just click right here. Once you click on the health and fitness, you can see this product is ranking number 1 in terms of sales. You can see right here, sales rank. So this is the product that is getting a lot of sales on Digits.info now. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to seize the opportunity so that we can also make money with this particular product. You can see right here, your commission rate is 85%. In terms of money, you are going to be earning $25.34. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. So now what we are going to be doing is that we have to begin promoting the product. To promote the product, if you are new to it, you have to come right here, click on sales page so that you can get some basic information about the product. So just click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, there is a pop-up message right here. So this is what your potential visitors are going to see when they click through your affiliate link. You can close the pop-up message right here. As you can see right here, your potential visitors, they have to click right here so that they can watch a video to get access to free recipes. As I scroll, you can see they have to watch the video. Once they watch the video till the end, they are going to get access to free recipes that they can use to lose weight. So now that we get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that we are going to begin promoting it. To promote it, you have to come right here, click on promote now so that you can get your affiliate link. But because I've been promoting it, you can see this is my affiliate link. So now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to plan on how to promote this product so that you can get many people to buy it for you to earn money. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free bot that you can use to promote this product for free. You are not going to pay for anything. So we are going to be using this particular bot, phrase.com. This particular tool will help you to write articles. It will help you to do a lot of writings. As you can see, a lot of different things that you can use this particular tool to do. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to use this particular tool to generate articles so that we can use the article to promote the product. So what we are going to do is that you are going to click on this particular option right here, AI content generator. So just click on try for free. So once you click on that, you can begin to write an article for free using this particular tool. Once you click on AI content generator, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to just scroll down, and then right here you are going to input the title of the article that you want to write. In our case, we are promoting a keto diet offer. So what you have to do is that you have to type how to lose weight with keto. So just type something like that as your title. As you can see, this is my title, how to lose weight fast with keto diet. So you have to type a title like this. Once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to select the creativity level. So just drag it and then bring it right here. As you can see, the creativity level is 3/5. That is okay. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, generate, so that you can generate a free article. Once you click on that, you can see phrase AI is thinking. So it is going to generate an article for you. As you can see, it has generated the content right here. As you can see, this is the article that it has generated. So now what you have to do is that you have to just scroll down and read through. As you can see, everything. Once you have your article, the next step is that you are going to find a platform where you can publish this particular article to drive traffic back to your affiliate links so that you can get people to buy the product that you are promoting for you to earn money on Digits.info. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, vocalmedia.com. Vocal Media is a platform where you can publish your articles for free. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, join, so that you can create your free accounts. You don't need to pay anything before you join. So just click right here, join. Once you click on join, you are going to enter your name, your email address, your password. In case you don't want to sign up with your email, you can just come right here, sign up with your Facebook accounts, your Twitter, your Google accounts, Apple accounts. So whatever that you want, you can just use that method to create your free accounts. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log in so that I can show you how to use this platform to make money. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see many people who have posted their articles on this platform. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you are going to do is that you are also going to publish your article here so that you can drive traffic back to your affiliate product. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create story, so that you can publish your article right here. Once you click on create story, you are going to see a page like this. This is where you are going to paste the title of the article that you want to publish. In this case, our article is about how to lose weight fast with keto diet. So you are going to type that right here. As you can see, this is the title of my article. The next step is that you are going to add the subtitle right here. You can just type any subtitle that you want. So just type any title that is related to keto. As you can see, this is my subtitle, Keto Diet for Beginners. So this is okay. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, upload image. If you want, you can upload an image of keto diet. If you don't want, you can just come right here, click on sparse images. So once you click on that, you are going to search for an image that you can use. These images are free stock images, so you can use them for whatever purpose that you want. So right here, just type keto. Once you type keto, you are going to click on search. As you can see, there are a lot of different images that you can use in your article. You can see them. Just select any of them that you want. As you can see, I've selected this one. Once you select the image, you're going to scroll down and then come right here. You can see start writing. So this is where you're going to copy and paste your article. So you're going to come back on the boat. Once you're on the boat, click on this particular icon right here. Just click on it so that you can copy the article onto your clipboard. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy the article, what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste it. As you can see, this is the article. You can see everything in the article. You can see everything. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to insert our affiliate link into this particular article so that you can get people to click through your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to just highlight any of the text that you want so that you can insert your affiliate link. In this case, you can just highlight a text like this and then insert your affiliate link. So now what you have to do is that you have to go back on Digistore24 so that you can copy your affiliate link and then insert it right here. Once you come back on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and copy your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy your affiliate link right here. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back on your article and then insert it in any text that you want. As you can see, just insert it in any text that will get people to click through. So just highlight the text. Once you highlight the text, click right here, link. Once you click on link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, this is my affiliate link. Once that is done, you are going to press enter. And you can see this particular text is linked to my affiliate link. So anytime the readers click through this particular link, they are going to get access to the product through my affiliate link. And if they make a purchase, I'm going to be earning money on Digistore24. Once you insert your affiliate link in the body of the article, you can just scroll down and then type a call to action right here. As you can see at the last part of the article, you can also type a call to action like this: download a free keto meal plan here. So once that is done, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to insert your affiliate link into it so that you can get the people to click through and then purchase the product. Once you insert your affiliate link, just press enter. You can see this particular text is linked to my affiliate link. Once that is done, you can see everything is nice. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish this particular article onto the platform so that you can get people to read it and then take the action for you to make money. When you come on SimilarWeb, you can see Vocal Media is getting up to 1.9 million visits every month. You can see it right here. And the good part is that the traffic is coming from the United States, India, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. So those are countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to earn money. So Vocal Media is one of the best free traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate products. So now once you have your article, everything is in the article. The next step is that you are going to click right here, save changes. As you can see, save successfully. Once you save the article, the next step is that you are going to publish it. So just come right here, click on submit for reviews. As you can see, ready to publish. Choose a community to submit your story. So you have to select the category of your article. As you can see, a whole lot of different categories. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select life hack. So just click on it. As you can see right here, the community requires a long article. You can see they need at least 600 words. So our article is not up to 600 words. So just come back and then select another category. So just scroll down and then select any of the categories that you want. So you can just select education. Once that is done, you are going to add tags to your article. So what you have to do is that you have to just click on it and then select the right tags for your article. You can see a whole lot of them. So just choose any tag that you want. Once you have your tags, the next step is that you are going to click right here, submit for review. So just click on it. You can see right here, thanks for your submission. Your article has been submitted. So within some few minutes, they are going to approve it so that your article will be live on this platform, and you are going to be driving a lot of traffic to your affiliate link so that you can be making money on Digger Store 24.